Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about clear method of range object. Here I have some data from column A to column F. So I am going to apply that clear method on this data. Let's move to coding part. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. In module 1, I have created a subprocedure which is named as clear method. First I mentioned worksheet object. Here I mentioned with sheet 2. With is a keyword and sheet 2 is worksheet object. Here I have data from range A2 to A8. Hence I mentioned the range. Here we can find different methods: clear, ClearComments, ClearContents, ClearFormats, ClearHyperlinks, ClearNotes, ClearOutline. So from the available list, first I am considered ClearContents. ClearContents is useful to erase the data, but it didn't remove the formatting options, like whatever decorations we did to the cell and text, like font color, background color. Let me check. Press F8. Here we can find it didn't remove the background color. Still in A6 cell it is showing yellow color background. In A4 cell, here I am typing some text, 78. So it didn't remove the font color. Here we can find in A8 cell, we can find the existing comment. Next I am moving to ClearComments method. Here I mentioned range as B2 to B8. Thereafter I mentioned ClearComments. I am running the macro. This method erases the existing comments in the defined range. Next, let us see about ClearFormats. So here I mentioned range C2 to C8 dot ClearFormats. Through this method, we can erase all the formatting options that which is applied on the particular data. So format means font color, background color, and applying bold font. Run the macro. So all the formatting options has erased by the application, but it didn't remove any data from the cells. Next I am moving to the ClearHyperlinks method. Already I have created a hyperlink in D3 cell. If you click on that hyperlink, it selects the A13 cell. So I have provided the link between these two cells. Here I mentioned range D2 to D8 dot ClearHyperlinks. Run the macro. So here we can find application removed the hyperlink. So we didn't find hand symbol in D3 cell. Next I am moving to ClearOutline method. First I am creating the outline. Under the data tab, we can find the group option here. First I am selecting D1 and E1 cells. Click on group. Here from the displayed box, user has to choose either rows option or columns option. Here I am selecting columns. Click on OK. Here we can find application created outline for the columns of D and E. If we click on minus symbol, automatically those two columns will hide from the screen. Now click on plus, then it displays on the screen. Range D1 to E1 dot clear outline. This piece of code is useful to remove the outline. Press F8. Here we can find application removed the outline. As I don't have Office 365, I am not displaying about the option of clear notes. Next I am moving to last one, which is clear method. Clear method is useful to clear all the contents, comments, formats, hyperlinks, outlines and notes. It clears everything. Here we can find it deleted all the content along with the formats and everything. So this is the brief introduction about clear method. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.